Welcome back to Cooking with Charlie episode 2. Today we are making spicy orange beef, a perfect recipe for when you're craving takeout but know you should stay in and cook. As you can tell from the clip above, I really think this one's a winner. First you can see me washing our rice. We gotta do the finger trick, toss that on the stove. You can see me putting it on an apron, and I'm also going to be putting on gloves for this because we are going to be using 2 serrano peppers. And these ones are hot. They're hotter than jalapenos. We're going to slice them in half, de-seed them, and then we are going to dice them small. Small enough where it's going to just, blend into the sauce as we cook it. We're going to add ginger, grating it into the same container, and 2 cloves of garlic. In a separate container, we are going to zest and juice 2 oranges that we stole from the dining hall, and this will be the base of our sauce later. Now we're going to prep our beef. Don't clown on me for a lack of a cutting board, mine got jacked. I'm using this affordable flat iron piece and I'm slicing thin against the grain into manageable slices, seasoning with salt and pepper before adding our potato starch. I use potato starch because it stays very crispy. We're going to mix these up, make sure they're well coated before heating a couple tablespoons of oil. Once your oil is hot enough on medium heat, carefully drop these into the oil in batches. We're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy like that. Alright, in a clean pan with just a little oil, we're going to cook off our aromatics just until they're fragrant, and then we are going to add in our orange juice. And then we're going to keep building our sauce, mixing it over medium heat, adding honey. We're going to add gochugaru or chili flakes. We're going to add soy sauce. Then we're going to add rice vinegar, a little bit of mirin, and some chili oil, and a tiny bit of sesame oil. This stuff is pretty strong. We're going to let this cook down more, mixing it over medium heat until it reduces into a nice sticky glaze. At that point, we're going to add back in our beef and toss the beef until each piece is nice and coated. Don't forget to check for seasoning throughout, and you can always adjust if you think the ratio is a little off. We are going to serve this up on some rice with some scallions. Alright, let's see if this can hold up to takeout. And the consensus is, it's very good. I really do hope you guys make this at home. Thank you for watching.